Hello everyone, this is Arun. So today in this video, we are going you to provide the walkthrough of this macro, that is automated carriage returns for all dynamic rows and columns. So here we have the data which have 10 columns and many rows. So here we have the data like this one is the first A column where we have worker ID. And then we have the data just like carriage returns. As you can see here, many lines inserted in the form of carriage return over a particular cell. And this goes on increasing column by column over a particular row. So, but this is the particular ID which has the data in the format of carriage return cells. So this one is single, and then we have 5 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similar 5 here, 2 lines, 2 carriage returns lines here, single one here, and so on. So we need 5 lines here for this worker ID, and then 5 again here for C column, then 2 for D, then 1 for E, and similarly 1 for F, and so on. So it depends upon how many carriage returns that are been there for a particular row. So they are dynamic. And as we can see, we have a lot of data which compromises of carriage return text in the cells and which has a particular unique ID, which is in the column A. Now we have created a macro which do all the stuff here. This macro will goes line by line and creates the lines which are there in the rows. So let's say for this one, we will print 5 lines, and similarly for C column, we will print 5 lines for this particular work ID. So here, yeah, so we can start the button. This is the macro button. I click on this, and now the macro has done its job quite precisely. Now the macro, what it's doing is, as we already told, this one is the worker ID, which is 5 cells for this one, 5 lines. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Again, the second one has 5 lines, and this one 2 here. So and so on. So it has created for all the data which are there for the data for macro sheet. So you can just input all your data here and just run the button, and that's it. So if you require this file, I'm sharing my details in the description part of this video, and you can just reach me out. And this product, I spent a lot of hours. So it's a commercial product, and it is available for $150. So if you like that, if you need this product, so you can just reach me out. I'm sharing my details, all the links, or you can just PayPal me, or you can just reach me out over WhatsApp or email, and then I will share you the file. And thank you, and have a nice day. Bye-bye. Take care.